This is the broken chord of C for ABRSM grade 1. The broken chord of C only uses 3 different letters, C, E and G. However, we can use those in a mixed up order, for example, starting on the E and putting the C at the top, or starting on the G and putting the other 2 letters on the top. To try and make those letters clear, I've put pen lids on those keys to try and make them stand out for you. So the method for getting the different broken chords is that you always start on your thumb with each group of 3. So first of all, we start with thumb, 3 and 5. Then we're going to move to the next set of 3. These are 6 notes apart, so obviously we've only got 5 fingers still, so we put a gap somewhere, and we always put the gap next to our thumb. This gives us finger 2 in this group, so we're going to do 1, 2 and 5. Again, in the last group of 3, these are 6 notes apart. We're going to do the same thing, leave a gap with no finger on this key next to the thumb, and that gives us a 3 again. And then at the end of that little group, we pause on top C. So the effect of that going upwards is like this. 2 in the middle group, back to 3 again, and a pause. 2, 3. Then we retrace our steps going 5, 3, 1. So we're doing the same 3 groups but in the other direction. So squeeze your 5 in. This middle one was the one that used 2. And then squeeze your 5 in, back to where you started. And to end the pattern, we end with a 5. So the whole broken chord looks like this. Now I'll move the pens to the next octave and show you the left hand. It's very similar. Wherever we have a 6-note gap, which is in the second 2 groups, we make a little stretch by the side of our thumb. However, that creates a slightly different pattern for the left hand. We're going to have 3 in the first group, 3 in the second group with a little bit of a stretchy thumb, and our 2 on this hand, on the left hand, is in the top group. So it looks like this. 5, 3, 1, 5, 3, stretch 1 slightly, 5, 2, stretch 1 slightly, and we pause on C, which in this case is 2. Then just like the right hand, we retrace our steps, squash your thumb down, this one's a 3, and the final one is a 3. And again, we end the pattern on G. So the whole left hand looks like this.